Welcome once again. Today we are going to talk about getting inputs. In the last videos we said that it is important for a program to take inputs from the outside world and then using processing transform it into some useful outputs. C has a specific format or a specific way in which it takes inputs, and today we are going to see exactly how it does that. Let's take an example of getting an integer from the keyboard and printing it. As we said in the previous videos, every book has a cover, and the C program also has a cover. It starts with main and an opening brace, and then we have to define an integer, int I, and I is a variable which is of type integer. This means that I can take values which are integer, and if you look at this is actually a comment. It starts with a slash followed by a star, and it ends with a slash followed by a star. So the computer will ignore whatever is within this slash and a star. The next line is scanf. This is the actual statement which is going to take in the value from the keyboard and put that value into the I variable. And the next statement is it will print I. Now one important thing to note is that the format is very much similar to the format that we have seen for printf. %d is for integers, and all these formats need to be remembered. The extra thing that you will note which is different from a printf statement is the ampersand. So in scanf, this extra ampersand also comes in before the name of the variable. The formats and data types are given over here. %d is for integer, %f for float, C for character, %s for string. Now a small exercise for you: get a whole number and a decimal number and a character and print it on the screen. What you can also try is see what happens if you enter a character in place of an integer. So suppose your program is saying please enter an integer, and you enter a character instead of entering an integer. So what happens over there? See what happens. Or if you try to enter a decimal number in place of a character, see what happens.